Yamaha, right? Let's see what you get to. What's on the body? Let's judge what's on the body. Is it 20, 20 or 30? There must be a 20 or 30 on the body. So it's the food, the food of fish is cheap. That's your main assignment now. Now, 4 kg to be wanted. I don't know, when I get off this area, Bayelsa, you are not close to water. I'm a good question I ask. Do you have something like a gate where they have waste fish and all that stuff like where?
Yeah, they might have. Why not?
They might if they find out, right? If you have that kind of Adediran thing, waste fish, or if you see any people selling catfish at all, nobody eats the intestine, right? So you can go and get the intestines, right? And then just boil and put in the freezer. That's your raw material to feed the fish. Then shrimp offer, I'm sure they will train shrimp on our water again. They offer, they have to remove the body and the shells and some part of the body are there. Shrimp offer is another fantastic one. Then intestines of chicken. We haven't got Calabar guys there who's going to compete because they're the ones eating the intestines of chicken. So you can have the chicken intestine too. Then go to frozen food stores that are selling frozen fish. Poultry people used to keep the intestine of the processed chicken with them. A whole bucket like this is about maybe 3,000 naira or thereabout. That's a whole heavy one. Now what you need to do is just boil the thing. When you boil, you don't boil it with water. You just put inside the pot and then let the thing cook. Just 3 minutes, it will collapse. You just see oil on the surface. Once it collapse, remove it. That oil you decant because you add soya bean cake and put to it, your fish can start sleeping. That thing is so tasty that if you're fasting, your fast is not valid anymore because it's really tasty. Temptation, As far as to according to everybody wants their fair share of the whole thing. So go help you that you don't enter your mouth. Now you decant the oil, right? And then you put water inside it, normal water, shake it a little. Don't use spoon. Shake it a little and decant it again. Keep it, sir. Because all the time you actually intestine. Keep the water in the freezer, right? That oily water. Now the rest intestine. Now you have grinded soya bean cake, granite cake with maize offer or wheat offer in the proportion in the book. Just put it inside and start pounding. Pang, 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 pang. I don't know, maybe in a pounded yam test or what I will use until it becomes like meat pan. Then just put it in the pelletizing machine. That pelletizing machine is for 2,000 naira, 40,000 for 2,000 for carriage. Now that's the manual. Then you cannot buy a priming machine or this normal draw machine. That one's I think about 60,000, I don't know, 60 or 70,000 here. So attach to it later on. If you feel that your productivity is not high, are you getting that? And that's all. I'll show you all the pictures. So, but start from the simple one first. And you have enough place to dry. Then your cost for fish must not be more than 120 naira. Is that okay? Listen, so I respect you and I didn't touch your nose. When I come back, I hope that's over.
Sir, there was something you were talking. Is it at this age that the drying is okay?
No, they're still this smaller. You need to. Now, one thing is this water is not visible. You have to remove some water and let another one come in. Use it for your use it for your planting. And then the water over the fish must be 1 meter. That's what I'm supposed to tell you. 1 meter. Let's do it. Put the 2 meter and let's go to water. Or else you are changing them for growth. Bad case. They are limiting their growth by 50%. This is just 1.5 feet. 3 feet, this is 3 feet. From the tip of my hand to the center of my chest. That's where the water is supposed to be. That's the minimum. We have 3 feet, that's the minimum. Anything is 3 feet, 4 feet. 2 feet water. Because don't be able to swim and keep one guy in there. And that means it won't take a longer time to feed them to go to the normal side. Then the oxygen level in the water will be good. So, where we stop, we got a power. So your 4 feet, just working there. So you find it. Very important thing. Even you have a partner, you take up the 3,000. You see they have big ones about 800 like this. That is your portion. No, you have 2,850. So let's increase the water and then aerate because there's no aeration. So definitely this thing will be inimical because in the evening now, this thing will be respiring the green water. So they'll be consuming oxygen that the little food you put, wait for give them flesh, they will be strong to survive because the algae too wants it. So instead of fish having oxygen now, you know, there's carbon you put now or carbohydrate or whatever it is, we free nitrogen, but without oxygen now, the thing will just come out as shit. So they'll be the same size for months. So it's important to aerate or allow like this water where they drop now. Instead of rushing it. So now create something here. Now tell the plumber to put a T-junction here.
Okay,
right?
okay.
And then a pipe up to this length. Maybe it will T to the edge there. Are you getting it? And then at the bottom, you now put like those tankers that will wait road under construction. Why? So you are doing what they call degassing. So that because the water is coming from under, your bowl will have carbon dioxide. So it's important for the water to be spread so that it will mix water before going, so that it won't be adding more trouble for the fish. Is that okay, sir? So do that here, do that here too. And you see a big massive difference in your stock. But be careful, these lichens are not, I don't like them at all. Okay. So if somebody is going to